Hey, my beautiful people, welcome back to ALAZAESBEAUTY. Now, today I do have a special guest with me today. It is my daughter, ALAZAE.
Hey.
All right, well, today we were talking about what is the perfect age for a young lady to do makeup. So we were debating like, is it 12, is it 11, is it 10? We want to hear you guys' opinion on what you think. I was telling her, in my opinion, I feel like she could wait till she's 15 to do makeup. Now, my thing when I say makeup, I think start settle at 15 and then gradually increase it. Now, what do you think?
I think when you're 13, you should, because sometimes our faces don't be looking right at school. Then it's a new generation and stuff, so yeah.
All right, so she feels like 13. I feel like 15. Now, let me know, what is you guys' opinion? I want to hear everybody's opinion. Do you think it should be 13? You think it should be 15? Is there a different age you think it should be? Let us know in the comments below, okay? All right.
Bye.
Don't forget, you're always beautiful no matter what. Bye-bye.